What's up, everyone? It's me, Adam Prime, and I'm back with some more raise buckles. We got some more smaller raise buckles, which is the Propeller and Drill raise buckles. The Drill and Propeller raise buckles. So yeah, you got Geats and Tycoon, who neither of these used them, but alright. You got them being used on the top, their names on the side, what they do over there, use them in the driver, use them with boost. And that's pretty much it for the box. Yep. So, I guess let's get the driver and the buckles in here and we'll see what we can do. And here they are. And here they are! We got the Propeller raise buckle, which is in this like metallic silverish gray, which you can twist here. And that's just what that does. Press that button. It is number 15. And we got Drill, which is in this bronze. Like this metalish brown bronze, which is really cool, with some nice silver paint, which flies forward. So that's cool. And there's that. So, overall, I do like how these buckles look. I think they're a ton of fun. So, let's see what they do in the driver. It has a bright white LED. I like how it just goes. I just like how that's just the generic sound for when you turn it. So let's try it with another buckle. Let's try it with claw. And there's that. Let's try with the beat buckle. And there's that. And let's use it with boost. I disconnected it. Oh no. And that's really cool. So, let's try... Let's just do this one real quick with drill. Yeah, let's just do drill on its own. Got some nice drill sounds. So let's try it with Propeller. And let's use it with water, 'cause why not? That. So let's use it with zombie. And let's use last but not least, boost. And there's that. And that's pretty much all it can do in the desired driver, so I'm going to get the Magnum shooter in here real quick so we can see what they do in that. And here we have the Magnum shooter. Let's use drill first. Oh wow, it actually looks brown. Well, that's a brownish orange. And now let's use Propeller. If I could get it in. Up. Up. I don't know what its problem is. There it is. So it's cool that you can use these in the Magnum shooter. And that's pretty much it for the drill and propeller buckles. Overall, they're two fun buckles. Again, they're kind of one of those that are on the cheap side, but this time I think only drill is available in the Gashapon and Candy Toys, so I think this might be the only way to get propeller as of now. Unless there will be coming out with variants of it, probably. Who knows? We are getting some clear ones, so you never know. But yeah, overall, I think this is a solid buckle set. It's they did show up in an episode, and they did have their own little game inside thing, so that's kind of neat. So, you know, it's just one of those things where if you're more into just collecting bigger buckles, you can probably pass on these. But if you're going in on all buckles, these are fun buckles. But if you're getting Gashapon Candy Toy, you might end up with doubles of drill, but you know, what are you going to do? Overall, I can recommend them. So, thank you so much for watching. What do you guys think of these two buckles? Which would you rather use? And overall, what are you guys thinking of the armed buckles in general? So far, I've realized that this is a like the mechanism is the same as like water. Like it's just the same, like, you know, it's probably like the same piece, they just gave it a new knob. So, you know. And like drill is like a lot of them, like claw, flail, they all have like the holes. So, you know, kind of interesting to see with how you can see those working out. But overall, I think they're really cool. So, until whatever I do next, bye. Oh, I knocked it over. Bye.